Thinking of buying an electric SUV in 2025? Not every shiny model is built the same. Some are future-proof, others will cost you headaches and money. Today on eLux Motors, we'll reveal the top 5 SUVs to buy in 2025, explain the tech trends that actually matter, and tell you which car fits the USA, UK, or Australia buyer. Stick with me. The number 1 pick surprised even the experts. All picks are based on real-world range, service footprint, software capability, and long-term ownership value, not just press releases. Let's go. Quick roadmap. I'll cover the 5 SUVs, why each wins, the 2025 tech trends you must understand, like charging standards, battery chemistry, OTA updates, and software-defined features, plus region-specific buying tips. Number 5. BMW iX, the safe, premium all-rounder. Starting at number 5, the BMW 9. Why it makes the list. BMW brings premium cabin quality, predictable dealer service in the USA and UK, and solid safety tech. The iX isn't the range king, but it's refined, comfortable, and holds value because of BMW's global support. Tech note: BMW focuses on software stability and gradual OTA updates. Excellent for buyers who want fewer surprises. Region tip: in Australia, confirm dealer service for advanced repairs. Legacy brands often have the advantage here. Number 4. Volvo EX90, the family-safe EV. Number 4. The Volvo EX90. Built around safety and long-term durability, Volvo designed this for families who put reliability first. Expect industry-leading passive safety, easy-to-use driver assists, and sensible software. Tech highlight: Volvo's emphasis on sensor redundancy and fail-safe systems is a 2025 trend. Safety tech is now a luxury feature, not just a checkbox. Buyers in the UK will appreciate Volvo's winter and safety tuning. Australian families will like the comfort and space for long trips. Number 3. Rivian R1S, the adventure luxury pick. Third on our list, Rivian R1S. For people who want luxury that actually goes off-road. Rivian combines premium interiors with genuine off-road hardware and an expanding US service network. Tech trend tie-in, vehicle-to-load features, camp power modes, and rugged thermal management systems make Rivian a leader for exploration. If you're in the USA and love weekend getaways, this one's ideal. In the UK and Australia, check local service availability and shipping timelines before ordering. Only 2 remain. One is a quiet range demon, and the other feels like a Porsche in an SUV suit. Which would you pick? Keep watching. Number 2. Lucid Gravity, the range and quiet luxury champion. Runner-up is the Lucid Gravity. Lucid took what they learned from luxury sedans and translated it into an SUV with class-leading efficiency. Real-world highway numbers and a whisper-quiet cabin make it a blissful long-distance cruiser. 2025 tech trend: battery energy density improvements and smarter thermal controls mean Lucid can deliver more usable miles per kilowatt-hour. That's what separates premium EVs from the rest. For USA buyers, Lucid has growing service and charging partnerships. For UK and AUS buyers, confirm local support but expect the brand to expand. Number 1. Porsche Macan EV/Taycan-based SUV, the performance luxury king. And the top pick? Porsche's electric SUV variants, Macan EV or Taycan-derived SUVs. These deliver driving dynamics that feel like a sports car wrapped in a luxury SUV. Porsche combines dealer support, proven engineering, and an enthusiast resale market, making it a long-term winner for wealthy buyers. Tech reasons it wins: adaptive chassis controls, high-density battery packs tuned for performance, and highly refined software that keeps handling crisp while giving respectable range. In the USA, UK, and Australia, Porsche's dealer network and brand cachet make ownership straightforward. Tech Trends 2025, what matters right now? Quick tech explainer you need to know in 2025. Charging standards. NACS versus CCS fragmentation matters. Make sure your local chargers match your car, or you'll need adapters. Battery tech. Higher energy density and improved cell cooling are now mainstream. This gives better usable range and longevity. OTA and software-defined features. Cars are evolving over the air. Brands that run robust, well-tested OTA programs increase value. Autonomy and driver aids. Level 2+ systems are more common, but don't confuse marketing with true hands-free. Verify real-world tests. These trends affect real ownership costs and long-term value, not just the 0 to 60 figures. Regional buying checklist. USA, UK, AUS. Short checklist before you sign. USA, prioritize home charger setup and network compatibility. Consider federal and state incentives. UK, check winter preconditioning and cold weather performance. Ask about dealer service and software coverage. Australia, factor in shipping, import taxes, and local service density. Install a level 2 home charger and confirm spare part availability. One last tip. Always test drive with your actual load, kids, luggage, or towing to see real range figures. Outro. So which luxury electric SUV would you park in your driveway? Porsche, Lucid, Rivian, Volvo, or BMW? Drop your pick and your region below, USA, UK, or AUS, and I'll make a custom buying guide for the winning model. If you found this useful, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Elux Motors. Luxury with real advice. See you next time.